What's up everybody, welcome to Free Fire. Today we're going to talk about 5 mistakes to avoid in ranked mode. Let's start with number 1. Never use repair boxes without first checking for mines. Use the scope or any of your secondary weapons to sweep the area. If the repair box glows red, there's a mine there that you have to blow up before proceeding. Just use this handy rhyme. If it glows green, there's no mine to be seen. If it glows red, run because it'll blast your foot right off. Number 2. Don't be a crouching tiger. That position actually gives your opponent the perfect window to blast you right in the head. So always shoot standing up and constantly moving. Number 3. Never stand while picking up weapons and equipment, because doing so makes you a sitting duck for enemy attacks. Collecting your items while moving in a circular motion helps you stay vigilant and alive. Number 4. Don't rush at a player head on. Sneaking in on them from the side makes you less vulnerable to a point-blank attack. They'll never know what hit them. And finally, number 5. Don't make the mistake of thinking that you have to kill every opponent. Knocking them down is enough. If you focus too much on that final KO, you'll have to contend with the other members of that team possibly attacking you from behind. Sorry folks, nothing personal. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you avoid these mistakes, you'll kick butt another day. Stay sharp and I'll see you next time.